In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate drawings in TradingView, which is a fantastic tool used by many traders to analyze financial markets. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, mastering this skill can help make your charting process more efficient and save you precious time. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open any chart on TradingView. For this demonstration, you can choose a chart that you frequently use or experiment with one you're interested in. This flexibility makes TradingView such a valuable tool for traders. Once your chart is open, the next step is to draw a line or shape. This could be a trend line, a rectangle, or any shape that helps you better understand market movement. Drawing tools can be found on the side panel, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Simply select the tool and click and drag on the chart to create the line or shape you require. Now, if you're looking to duplicate this drawing, look for the rectangle icon. It's crucial to understand the layout of TradingView, and using visual aids like the rectangle can significantly streamline your workflow. Click on the rectangle to ensure that it's selected. This step prepares the drawing for duplication. Once your drawing is ready and you feel it's arranged as desired, the next step is to clone it. There should be plenty of customization options to tweak your shapes, so take advantage of arranging it exactly how you need it before duplicating. When you're content with its position, right-click on your shape and select Clone from the menu that appears. Alternatively, you can use the intuitive shortcut offered by the platform for efficiency. After you've clicked Clone, a duplicate of your drawing will appear on the chart. This duplicate can now be dragged to any desired location on the chart. This feature is particularly useful when working with multiple levels of support and resistance, or when you need to replicate zones across different price areas. Finally, duplicating drawings is a great time saver for drawing parallel lines or creating zones. Instead of repeatedly drawing new lines or shapes, you can simply clone the existing ones and adjust them accordingly. This efficiency boost allows you to focus more on analysis and less on setup, ultimately helping you make more informed trading decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate drawings in TradingView. Implementing this simple yet powerful technique into your workflow will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency. Practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and experimenting with these tools to master your TradingView charts. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy trading!